Still climbing too much. It's climbing like a nutter, look at that.
Well, this was the Maiden, climbing like crazy, even at much reduced throttle. So the changes I made: cut and shut the tail to make the incidence of the tail 0, and added 60 grams of lead to the nose. So what happened on day 2 after I'd made a few changes? Let's see how it went.
Almost flying upwards. That is maximum up elevator, with it trimmed up, look, trimmed up to there, maximum up elevator when I threw it, and it still doesn't want to go up. That's throwing it without any power on. It doesn't even glide when I throw it with no power. I've got the masses of up elevator. I've halved the amount of lead on the nose. I'll take off that last bit of lead. Right, without the lead on the nose, but with a massive amount of up trim on the elevator. Let's see if it throws when I glide it. Hard throw. No. Into the ground. Right, hard throw, and I'll give it half throttle this time. Without the lead on the nose. Right, well, it doesn't need the lead. It does fly, but I'm having to put the nose is trimmed way too high now. Whoa, something went wrong there. Some glitch, did you see that? Elevator glitched. So about just under half throttle, and I was still having to push the nose down, so it doesn't need that trim, and it doesn't need a massive lead on the nose. It was mostly incidence and to do with the prop. I'm going to trim the elevator to a more neutral position. But I did successfully get it flying then, but I was flying it constantly with my nose, constantly pushing the nose down on the elevator. So let's try it neutral now. Right, I'll go into sub trim, take it down. Right, let's try it again. Half throttle. Half throttle. Still keep the nose up a bit. It will more or less fly without that chunk of nose weight, and half throttle. Now I have adjusted the angle of incidence of the tail by cut and shutting it just there. That was just a little bit of up on it there. I'll try one more. Half throttle. Third throttle. Third throttle, half throttle or a third throttle. Undercarriage off. Shut the throttle. And it dives quite gently. Half throttle, it's okay. Shut the throttle, and it glides really nicely. There you are. I do know how to fly. The tail incidence was wrong, way too much power, but I'm glad I got it flying in the end without the lead and without the undercarriage.
So there you are. Just shows the importance of getting the tail incidence right on any model. But apart from that, I think that three-bladed prop that I've been using gives way too much power because it's perfectly happy at half throttle. So I'm going to switch it to the recommended size prop that comes with the ready to fly kits, and that should make it even better. But I hope you found it useful. I have found it an interesting exercise. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up maybe, and please check out some of the other vids on my channel. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, stay safe and happy flying.